Hello, I'm Daniel Mackay here at the University of Glasgow, and I teach in the Master of Public Health programme. Our programme offers you the opportunity to study for a postgraduate certificate, diploma or master's part-time over a period of between 1 and 5 years, depending which level of study you're looking to undertake and the amount of time you can spare. So studying online with us gives you flexibility to learn at a time and location convenient to you, allowing you to fit your studies around your personal and professional commitments. The other aspect of learning online is interaction you have with your tutors and fellow students from around the globe. Great emphasis is placed on making sure you feel well supported in your learning and that you have good interactions with everyone on the programme. You may even make a few good friends along the way. You'll learn about a range of topics during your studies, including principles of public health, globalisation in public health, communicable diseases, research methods and epidemiology and statistics. You'll also be able to undertake a research project, and many of our face-to-face students have published their research projects in academic journals. A full list of the subjects that you'll study is available on the University of Glasgow's MPH website. It may be that you're looking to continue your studies after your degree, you may be looking to change career, go for a promotion, or you just want to undertake this programme for your personal interest. Our focus here is about providing you with quality education that enables you to fulfil your potential and realise your ambitions. So if you'd like to join one of the leading research and teaching institutions in the world and be the best you can be, get in touch and we'll get you started on your exciting journey in the field of public health. I do hope you'll join us soon.